Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Hawaii!
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. Oh yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in Hawaii with my best friends. This is Lorena and this is Juliana. We are hiking Diamond Head right now, and what would you say, we've gotten maybe half a mile up?
Half a mile up.
Yeah, so we're not all the way up, so we're gonna go all the way to the top. We've been taking a few days off. We've been here for maybe 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful, so we want to share the top with you guys because we haven't seen it either, so let's go. Okay, I was not expecting this. Sound off, ladies! This is Spooky Stories in Hawaii, part 1. Once upon a time, we arrived on Hawaii and there was no pineapple! No pineapple! And the coconuts were gone! And the coconuts were gone! That's not the case.
You're about to work out.
Yes.
More steps.
Okay, so we made it to the top and we've spent, how long would you say we've spent taking photos?
Good duration of time. A decent amount of time.
Yes. Totally worth it though, it's absolutely beautiful. As we were coming up, there was a pineapple, it was like pineapple stand?
Yeah, and coconuts.
And coconuts, yes. Their mom and sister actually went down to get it for us because it closes at 5:30. Come early so you can get the fruit juice. This is the view from up here. It's gorgeous. We've got our designated photographer, Joanne. He's just a world traveler. Guys, we found what looks like to be a little ferret. We came down quite a ways and we stumbled upon, I think that was a little ferret, right? Aren't ferrets larger than that?
I don't know, it looked like a baby.
Baby ferret's out playing. Mama does not know.
We don't know.
It was very cute. We have the lovebirds behind us.
We're struggling. Hey, Mama. What?
So we got done with our hike. We had some pineapple and some coconut water. The sun is setting very beautifully behind me, as you can see. And we stopped in this little market. It's called Diamond Head Market and Grill. And I actually ordered an ahi tuna sandwich. So I'm super excited to get our food. Let's go see what everybody else ordered. But I wanted to show you guys the grill and the menu. It's kind of a local spot.
Pretty much the plate, but it's all salads and
Ahi is like $3. Unheard of. Can't wait to eat. Hello there. Okay, so Juliana has such a sweet tooth and she got dessert. What'd you
I
get?
got us a coconut bread pudding. Woo! And this is some kind of coconut sweet potato dessert. Look at the layers on that one. And
Oh, you got 3?
a blueberry
Oh
like cream cheese scone.
That is so big.
I couldn't pass it up. It was huge.
Okay, I told you she has sweet tooth. I can't wait to bite into it. And then after, maybe have all of your desserts.
Please do.
I think so.
I shouldn't have taken all this myself.
This is bread pudding. A sandwich.
Coconut sweet potato.
Sure. And let them serve. Very good.
Isn't that so?
Did I have to? Yo. Oh. So every time.
It's wasabi on the ahi.
What?
What'd you think of the ahi sandwich?
So good. So worth it. Come here. Most people come here for paradise. We come here for food.
Good morning from Hawaii. We just woke up. We've been treating this trip really, really, truly like a vacation.
Yes, we don't want it to end.
We've been sleeping in and just hanging out. I haven't really vlogged a lot, but I wanted to take you guys out today in our Airbnb right now. The view is beautiful. You get palm trees, you get sun. We've gotten a little sunburn, but we're good. I think today, what are we doing?
Today we might go hiking and then the beach. Manoa Falls, right?
Yes. So we're going to head out. We're going to get some coffee.
Yes.
Because we can't run on air. Say hi, Victoria.
Hello.
This is our view.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Learn down. I got the fever. You're up drinking my coffee. No. We found coffee. Yeah, honestly, this place is adorable, and I can't believe we haven't discovered a surf because we're right across the street. Remind me of a surfboard. So what is your most popular coffee, and do you recommend anything local?
I would recommend
Supercharged coffee? Okay.
this has coconut oil, double shot espresso, hot water, and
Ooh! Coconut oil double espresso.
is that a coffee?
Papaya bowl. That's fruit. That's just a fruit bowl?
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm gonna get that. I'm getting that. Okay, thank you. I think I'll have it. It's actually got, okay, so it's got like chia, coconut, and it's got sunflower seeds, and it's got granola.
But what they do was
Amazing. So, girl morning table coffee talk. So, is it just me, or is Jason Momoa just universally just everybody's heartthrob? Is it just me? He's literal perfection.
Yes. Fresh.
Gorgeous.
His wife is very blessed.
Yes, we can talk about men for you.
Comment down below if you think there's a universal heartthrob and it's not Jason Momoa. Or it'd be great, because I think we all agree, but we might be a biased table. One's crush is
Emma Watson.
Emma Watson.
It's a very interesting woman.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it? So we just got to Manoa Falls. We're not doing a tour, we're just doing it ourselves. I don't think it's that long of a hike, but we're so excited because Jurassic Park was filmed here, or some portions of it. We're applying sunscreen on. I'm all oily from the sunscreen just so we don't get super toasted. Obviously Joanne wants to get tan. But we're so excited. As we were walking in, we saw this tiny little, I think it was like a little gecko or lizard or something. I took a video of it. I kind of thought it was going to lunge at the camera. Found a dinosaur. Oh, he's looking at me. Uh-oh. But it didn't. But look at this entire area. Look how lush the foliage is here. Can you tell we're excited? So there's an entire family in front of us with these walking sticks. And it makes me feel like there's something we don't know. Right? We gonna find out.
Slightly unprepared.
Slightly intimidated. I'd say we have pretty stable feet.
Very stable. You don't know me that well then. I have a habit of falling.
We just saw a macaw, a white macaw on one of the branches. Is it a macaw or a cockatoo? It was all white and it had a little crest and a black beak. Bird 101.
Didn't take that class.
Spot a macaw.
I missed that one.
Can you hear that? We're venturing into the great unknown.
Great unknown.
I don't
don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. Yes, it's every part of me.
We're at the Manoa Trail, not to be confused with Momoa.
Momoa.
I don't know where that came from, I just random info. So last night we went to our first EDM concert. It was Elin Bluestone.
Yes, amazing.
And Juliana and Lorena know him. It was incredible. We were backstage. Trance music.
He's on his world tour.
Happened to be in Oahu.
The same time we are.
It was such an incredible experience, and it was the whole family. And we got to sing him happy birthday because it was his birthday. It was beautiful. Happy birthday to you.
It was wonderful.
So this entire trip has been pretty eclectic.
And we ate vegan cake.
And they had a vegan cake.
Delicious.
Oreo.
Oh my God.
Can't go wrong with Oreo.
We're such foodies, man.
I know. Okay, still trying to make it to the waterfall. It's been a long road. Note to anybody who comes here, #1 item on the checklist, mosquito spray.
Yeah.
Okay, we can hear it. We can hear it. It's right behind us. Yay, victory! Oh, there's such a nice breeze here. It's so calming. This would be a wonderful hike for someone in the morning when no one's here.
Yes. You can just hear the water. It's so peaceful.
Okay, we are now rushing back.
Yes.
For what?
Food.
Fish tacos?
We are hungry.
We're starving.
We worked up an appetite.
I mean, this was supposed to be a short trail.
But the photos we took.
But the photos.
And the
So
views.
many beautiful
You can't
photos.
race through this, guys. You
No.
have to be able to just enjoy it.
Yes, it is so stunning. Okay, so we found this place called Fresh Catch, and it's supposed to be really fresh, all types of food. Joanne isn't vegan, vegetarian, or pescatarian. He wants meat. Let's see what we can find.
How long the line is.
Wow.
You know it's good when it's that long.
Like Juliana said, you know, it's good when it's that long.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroid yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide